How's it going, everybody? This is Tony with the Sheriff Workshop. Just wanted to show you what you get when you buy the DEWALT Rotary hammer. Here we go. This is what it comes with. There's 2 bands on it, and I already cut it because I wanted to see. So it's the DEWALT SDS plus D handle rotary hammer. When you buy it, of course, it's only the tool. If you get the battery and stuff, it's a whole lot more. I got this at Lowe's for $200. And okay, so I kind of fibbed. I bought it the day I needed it, so I actually used it already. But I put it back exactly how I found it. So you get the little manual, like you always deal with everything you get nowadays. And then it came in this bag. And this is the tool. And I have used quite... Okay, sorry it didn't come with this. I bought this 3/8 bit because I was using a 1/2 and a 3/8 rebar. Right. Pretty simple. So it's an SDS. All SDS is just the size and the dimensions of the end here. Just clips right in. Just like on all the other, I've used all different kinds of rotor hammers, and they all have the hammer drill, or just drill and hammer. So you got the drill and the hammer, and then you just have the hammer, which I thought was pretty good. And this is just a little depth gauge. I actually used it on all the other ones I had. It didn't have this, so I thought this was pretty cool. Just it bumps it. I wanted to go 3 inches, so what I did, I hit the wall with it, and then I measured from here 3 inches. Something like that. Whatever. But overall, I am thoroughly impressed with it. I only did 5 holes, but it was through concrete, so it wasn't nothing easy, but it went right through. It's lightweight. First battery I got, it's my 6 amp. It's the biggest one I got, but and then so yeah, this is the tool. Already got a little scuffed up. I had to put it on the gravel, but I am thoroughly happy with it. I got a little clip of me using it, and I will show it now. Okay, so this has been the unboxing of the DEWALT brushless rotor hammer. I hope you guys like it. Leave me in the comments if you have one and if you like it, or if you're thinking of getting one. If you are, try to find on Amazon, because if you find Amazon selling it, they can actually price match it, so you don't have to wait for it. At the time when I bought this, they were selling it on Amazon, but it was through a third party, so it was only $20 less than I got it. It was cheaper at Lowe's than Home Depot, but I know Lowe's price matches Amazon if it's actually sold from Amazon. So yeah, leave a comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I will see you on the next one.